Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you with my hair still a mess because I am just in a rush ready to get out the door to try to tackle some shopping for some events that I have coming up. I just wanted to kind of just sit here and film my quick tutorial of what I do daily. I do not do my makeup daily. I do like simple everyday kind of stuff. The most dramatic thing on my face right now is these lashes, and that's about it. This look altogether took me about 10 minutes. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what I do and how to get ready pretty quick if you're like waking up late or you're just in a rush. Also, this was kind of just a mental getaway for me. It's been kind of hectic. I've been trying to do a lot of things that just distract my mind and get me out of my comfort zone and out of that funk and just, you know, do something with myself. I do have a lot going on, so I feel like this makeup look right here is going to be one that I'm going to be wearing often. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing that, then just keep watching. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so that you guys can always be up to date with when I'm posting and see what I'm posting. I'm also very active on my social media, which is Instagram at Natalie_beloved. If you guys want to see more looks and things like that, I do more of my heavier makeup and clothing and just stories and stuff. I'm more active on that platform. But yeah, aside from that, I'm gonna run out of here and go do what I gotta do, and I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to give this tutorial a like so that I can see what you guys like to watch and so I can keep on producing videos for you. So without further ado, oh, that rhymed, let's just get into it. So first things first, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue Gel Cream. I apply this daily because I absolutely need to lock in moisture, especially during these cold seasons when the air is gonna start hurting your face. I get extremely flaky and I need a little extra loving. Next, I'm taking my NYX Glow Foundation. I love this foundation because it's extremely light on your skin and it kind of gives a natural finish. It's not extremely heavy either, which is really nice for me because I like something that can give me some coverage but doesn't feel like I'm extremely caked up. And I take a brush just to spread this all around because, like I said, we are on a time crunch and a brush, I feel like, gets the job done faster. Next, we're jumping into my brows. My brows really are extremely simple for this look. I just take my NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. You guys know that I absolutely love that brow gel, and I just go ahead and brush all my hairs upwards. I like a full brow kind of look. I don't like my brow hairs to kind of like go off to the side and seem thinner. I like them to look really full. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sculpt my brows the way that I want, and then I'm taking my concealer. This one is probably a Maybelline concealer, but if it's not, it's probably my Wet n Wild concealer. And I'm just taking a flat Aveda brush and I'm just gonna underline my brow. Next, I'm just taking this blending brush and I'm going to go ahead and blend out all that concealer that I did to underline and overline my brows. I'm not adding any other product to my brows other than just the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel and this concealer because it's just a super duper natural look that we're going for, and I need to get out the door in 10 minutes, so I don't have time to be adding product and shaping my brows and this, that, and the other. So now that the cat is out of the bag, here I am trying on my Beloved lashes in the style Beloved. My lash line reveal video will be coming very soon to you guys, I'm extremely grateful for this opportunity to even be able to own my own business and have the outpouring of love that I've had. I would like to say thank you guys so much, and I cannot wait to show you what else Beloved Lashes has to offer when the time is right. But here I am taking my concealer underneath my eyes, and I'm just taking that same foundation brush that I use for the rest of my face, and I'm going ahead and blending it up into my temple and a little bit over my nose, just to give me a little bit more coverage in the center of my face. This look typically I do when I'm gonna be wearing glasses or something like that. I do like to style myself with unprescribed different frames, just so that kind of gives me like an edge to my look. It kind of switches it up because I do get bored a lot, which is why I switch up my hair, makeup style, and things like that so often. And then yeah, so now I'm just taking my powder and I'm setting everywhere that I put that concealer, and we're back to putting on my lashes. Once I let my glue dry, I'm just going ahead and popping those right on. I'm not using any liner. The best thing about these lashes is that they don't require you to have to wear makeup, and they still look very natural, so I absolutely love them. And once we get into my lash line reveal, then we'll get a little bit more into depth on how great these lashes are. Next, I am opening this fresh lip liner from Wet n Wild. This is Wet n Wild's version of Chestnut, which I do enjoy for day-to-day use. It's just a nice warm brown, nudish kind of tone that is just more of a natural color, and I really like it for every day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips with that. And then I'm taking this Wet n Wild as well. I love Wet n Wild. I use Wet n Wild almost everything. I'm taking this lip gloss. It's extremely sparkly. It's like one of those horoscope lip glosses from that collection that came out. It was like a few months ago, I think. But I'm just using that because it's extremely sparkly and it has a little bit of a pink undertone. And then I'm going back into my brows again. You guys, I'm obsessed with my brows, obviously, as you can tell. When it comes down to this look, I'm making sure that they're extremely perfect. And with all the blending and the powders and stuff, they'll move around throughout the process, so I do like to go back in and make sure that they're perfectly glued down to my face, because they are very thick and they have a mind of their own. Next, I'm going ahead and grabbing my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. I'm just gonna go ahead and add that to my bottom lashes and my top lashes. Now I'm grabbing another Wet n Wild product. This is their Breakup Proof liner, and I'm just going into my inner tear duct just to line the inside of it so that it looks like the lash band and the inner corner of my eye is just all my natural lashes, like that faux lash extension look, I guess. So I'm just making sure that I do that. And to finish off the look, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Morphe setting spray. I love this, and spray my face. These are the glasses that I usually wear just to switch it up because I like the bifocal kind of look. They're super edgy and they're super cute. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can keep up with me, and I'll see you later.